Now I am showing you how to upload WordPress plugin in your WordPress repository. I have submitted a plugin named WC Captcha in WordPress plugin directory, and last time they have reviewed and successfully completed, and they have told me that SVN will ready in 24 hours, and I will got a next message from WP plugin directory. They have sent me a SVN link and how to submit directory. So here I have installed my localhost. I have installed my WP Captcha. This is the Math Captcha plugin I have created, and and the directory of my plugin is WP Captcha here, and I have also add few images in there. There's icon 128 into 128 the square size, and 256 and that's square, and this is for icon, and a banner 772 into 250, and there JPG or PNG, that's no matter. And I have to take three screenshot 1, 2 and 3 here. Here 1 and 2 and 3, and readme text. All the file are the small lowercase. You see that here, and now I'll see there how to submit. And here they have said that I will use application TortoiseSVN and SmartSVN. I have downloaded from here Tortoise. Here the two version, the Tortoise release, and here 64 and 32. I have recently downloaded the 64 and already set up, and they have said that I have got a user ID, and I have used the password of my WordPress.g account, and here I'll see on the here the 4 directories, and they've said that use for asset for screenshot and plugin header and icon, development work on track, release on go tech. That means another version I will release for update, then I'll put on the tag. And brochure, for the brochures, that's no need, and trunk for full plugin files. And RTech, they have said that how can I use for another version, and here how plugin assets and read. I show here the assets image, the default image banner 772 into 250 PNG or JPG, and icon 256 and PNG square. This look like this, and the file name must be the normal size RTL, and retina, no problem, you can put one only, and the icon for this is largest 256, and this is small for 186. Here is the normal 186 and 256. That is no matter to PNG or JPG. And screenshot, you can name of screenshot 1, screenshot 2, and here is the you defined on the readme text. This is why for the screenshot. So here 1, 2. I think I need to rename FN1. this is okay. And in the readme text, the plugin name and everything in the description and setting installation and effects. And here is this is screenshot 1, screenshot 2, screenshot and the catalog is this. And then everything is ready here. I'll upload the file. So I am here, click on right and SVN checkout, and I'll use the link of my SVN plugin that's provide here. Copy and paste here, and on the desktop WP Captcha in the directory will where and I have okay, and I find here directory WP Captcha on the desktop, and I will find the folder directories. Okay, and I see here, and I just copy from my plugin on the assets all the images, I just copy here, and the I copy all the directory and files here. Okay. That's and now I click on the directory and find here the SVN comment, and here release message. I need to read me txt. That's I have show there, and here is my all the file in the here. I just checked all and hit OK. Then I'll see here is uploading. Here they have told about the user ID and password, so I put my they have provided my user ID, your user ID. This is my user ID and password I will put here. The user ID and password not let me check my user ID and password. I can edit. They have uploaded. Uploading. Now complete the revision, and I can okay. And now the my plugin link will the plugins, and here will the WC Captcha here is the plugin is live now. So thank you for seeing. Here is the screenshots, and here is all the things that I have defined on a readme file. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you.